Hello viewers, in this video we are comparing Oppo F29 Pro versus Oppo F31 Pro Plus. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphones. Software, operating system, updates, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, frame, waterproof, display size, display brightness, display type, display resolution, refresh rate, PPI density, color and HDR, screen to body ratio, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, bench score, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, video, first smartphone main camera, second smartphone main camera, main camera video, sound, loudspeaker, .5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, network, price, smartphone's price, final result, winner. Thank you so much for watching this video.